An update tonight from Union County. The school board there says that it's come to an agreement with the health department about COVID protocols and how to identify and exclude exposed students. This agreement comes just days after the county's health department sent the district a letter warning of potential legal action. The health director said schools were not providing enough contact tracing information to protect the community. As part of that new agreement, the school district is required to give the county information about likely close contacts of any student who has tested positive, among other measures. And this comes as Union has emerged as the leading county in the Charlotte region for COVID clusters in schools. In this week's state cluster report, NCDHHS says that it's investigating 13 schools with clusters, which are linked cases in a specific setting. The local county, by the way, with the second highest number we're seeing is actually going to be Mecklenburg County. Mecklenburg County has 12 schools with clusters. And as we've been tracking these reports week by week, some of you have reached out on social media wondering why Mecklenburg County schools, CMS, which has a mask mandate, and Union County schools, which has an optional mask policy, have largely been neck and neck in the counts. So we wanted to give some context behind the numbers. First, we weeded out schools that weren't in CMS and Union County public school districts. For example, charter schools, Catholic schools. We were left here, as you could see, with 9 clusters in CMS and 10 in Union County public schools. Next, we accounted for differences in district sizes. Keep in mind, CMS is much larger. It has 176 schools. UCPS has 53. So when you do the rates here, you factor in that number of total schools. You can see the cluster rate is actually vastly different. Union County schools with close to 20% of its schools dealing with clusters, while CMS is sitting at around 5%.